Welcome, lovely light, to this intermediate morning yoga flow. Join me at the top of your mat. Inhale, hands reach high to the sky. Namaste Mudra. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale. Exhale, half flat back rises. Exhale, forward fold, stepping back down to a tabletop into a child's pose. Taking a moment to set an intention, to give gratitude for where you are in your life. Inhale, roll forward to the belly for Bhujangasana, Cobra Pose. Welcome the breath in. Post up on the feet, downward facing dog, pedaling out the heels. Inhale. Exhale, right heel reaches up to where is in your comfort and stepping the foot forward down to the knee for a runner's lunge. You can come for a football stance or hands on the hips. Inhale, hands come forward into circles, really pressing past the knee, getting a lovely heart opener here for a crescent lunge. Welcome the breath. Stretch that hip. Exhale, straightening that front foot, toe faces up. Exhale for a gentle split squat. Inhale. Up on the hind foot. Exhale, left hand reaches down, right arm reaches up for a twisted, extended side angle. Welcome the breath in. Exhale, reaching the body forward, coming for a plank position. Exhale, forward for a chaturanga onto the belly. Bhujangasana, Cobra Pose. Open the heart with a big grateful breath. Exhale, pressing up and back, downward facing dog. Pedaling out the heels, resetting the body. Wonderful work, lovely light. Welcoming that opposite heel, left heel reaches up. Transitioning foot comes forward between the hand for that crescent lunge. You can come down. Hands can be at hips or reaching up for this gentle back bend. You can really deepen this posture by pressing the knee past the ankle. Welcome a healing breath that radiates through the heart. Exhaling, finding what you need in this posture. Exhale, straightening that front leg. Inhale the body as you fold forward here, welcoming a release in the hips, transitioning forward here. Right hand reaches down, left hand up. You can reach up on that hind leg for a reverse extended side angle. Welcome the breath that feeds the cells. Exhale down. Hands reach down, plank position, coming in here for a side plank variation. So find what works best for you. If it's extending a leg or stacking shoulder over shoulder, find your strength, find your edge, really pressing into the earth, driving the hips up. Welcome the breath in. Elbow to knee extends long. Inhale, extend to knee. If this is hard, you can get down on the knee on the base. Extend the body long. Hug elbow to knee. Really finding strength and hold. Coming back for that plank position. And you can come and meet me on the other side so we are facing each other here. So transitioning now to the opposite side for that side plank. Find the variation that you need in your body. If your foot needs to come down or knee, extend shoulders, stacks over shoulders, driving the hips, hugging through the belly, finding integrity from the head. Inhale, elbow to knee, really pressing the earth away, finding strength within the core. Exhale, push it away, knowing how strong you are. Exhale, coming forward for a plank to a chaturanga variation, back bend of your choice. Maybe it's an upward facing dog. Finding strength as you press back, downward facing dog. Pedaling out the heels. And wherever you are, you can step or walk forward, coming into a toe stand. So coming up on those front toes, finding your balance in your body and your breath, working your body here, finding a focal point using a drishti, welcoming the breath that comes in. Exhale, forward fold, extending the legs long, letting the head heavy, shaking the head a little yes. Maybe shaking the head a little no. You can shift hips side to side, grab opposite elbows. Exhale, halfway lift, and then inhale, root to rise, meeting at the center of the mat. Exhale, the right foot forward, left foot reaches long for Virabhadrasana 2, Warrior 2. Finding strength within the lovely mountains, breathing the healing energy of the trees. Exhale, straightening that leg and coming in for Trikonasana, triangle pose. Really stacking shoulder over shoulders here, straightening through the legs and bending into a half of a moon, reaching down to the earth. You can find a block, finding your strength. Hips and shoulder reaches up, finding your inner strength, lovely light. Hand reaches down, stepping back for a plank position, coming in for that chaturanga and using the back bend of your choice. Maybe it's an upward dog or a cobra. Pedaling out the heels, downward facing dog here. Exhale, opposite foot reaches up, right foot reaches up, steps through, coming in for that Warrior 2, but I'm going to face you, so swapping it around. Warrior 2. Finding strength within the lovely mountains, heart and hips open to the long edge of the mat. Exhale, peaceful warrior, big welcoming breath that comes into the body and fills the cells. Exhaling, straightening that front leg, Trikonasana, triangle pose. You can reach for the shin, the ankle, the upper thigh. Stack shoulders over shoulders. Modification is hand can come bent to the hip. Inhaling the breath into the body. Beautiful. Bending. Now reaching down the hand towards the earth for a half of a moon. Finding strength in the body, finding a variation that empowers you, allows you to find your edge. Exhale, hinging the hand and the hips down for that plank position, coming in for your chaturanga, finding strength within your body, pressing upward facing dog. Welcome the breath that comes in, sending hips up and back, downward facing dog, lovely. Float to the knees for cow and cat pose, finding that flexion and that arching of the spine, tapping into your body, coming in for a extended child's pose or a namaste mudra child's pose, tapping into what you are grateful for in this moment, taking a moment to pause, to rest, to replenish, to know there is a time for work and there's a time for rest. Hands reach forward, coming on to the bottom, to the sit bones, giving yourself a moment here, hugging the knees in towards the body for a boat pose, finding what works for you. You can strengthen through the back of the legs. Exhale, low boat to high boat. Low boat, find your strength. High boat reaches up. Low boat to high boat. Find your strength. Exhale, up, high, low boat to high boat. 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 Powering through, finding strength within your body. Doing hard things by actually doing them and holding in that high boat. Extend the legs if you can. Find strength in your lovely body. Exhale down to the earth for your rest. Inhale, knees come to chest for a double wind reliever. Apanasana. Creating lower back tension release. Rocking side to side. You can reach in for a happy baby or a joyful baby. Rocking side to side. Giving your hips an opportunity to open, to expand, to be massaging the spine on the earth. Right leg reaches across the left here for a laying figure 4. And then opposite side comes across. Right heel reaches up and back, laying figure 4 on the opposite side. Welcome the breath in. bringing both of the feet to the earth, option for a Baddha Konasana, a laying butterfly, taking your Shavasana, allowing a wave of relaxation that washes down the head, softening through the heart, letting all muscular effort go through the arms, through the wrist and fingers, softening through the belly, allowing a wave of relaxation that washes down the legs, to the knees, to the feet, softening and letting go here. And bringing awareness back into the legs with a full body stretch, arms reach long, hugging the knees to the body. You can stay on the back or meet me in a fetal position. You can whisper or receive these affirmations. I love you. I love you. I love you. I am grateful for you. I am grateful for you. I am grateful for you. I am healing. I am healing. I am healing. Hugging yourself in and taking your time to meet me in a seated position. Bringing the hands to your heart center in a namaste mudra. Taking a breath that welcomes in, integrating this practice, allowing this energy to elevate you and to move with you through the rest of your day. The love and the light within me honors and acknowledges the love and the light within you. Namaste. Thank you for practicing with me. I love you.